This is how I sew my granny squares together using the mattress stitch to create an invisible seam. I'm going to start the side of these two granny squares the same way I did in part 1. And the biggest thing I want to point out when you're working this 4-piece intersection is that I'm just working into the first chains of the 2 chains that are in the corner. And I'm still using the same method that I did along the side with the mattress stitch, going into the stitch I came out of last, and then weaving in from behind to the front, in between the loops of the next stitch. The mattress stitch is my preferred method because I can lay my blanket out flat. I don't have to fold anything on top of each other. Nothing's getting twisted or tangled. And as I'm going, I can check to make sure that I'm not skipping any stitches, because the borders of my granny squares are going to let me know if I skipped a stitch. I also think it's super satisfying when you are pulling the yarn tight and you watch it kind of close up like a corset, but that's just me. I've also never had the seam come undone in the wash machine or in the dryer, but that's it for now. There are many other methods that you can use to sew your granny squares together, but I'm going to come back to those later because sewing granny squares together is one of my least favorite things to do, besides attaching all the body parts of an amigurumi project. So the next few videos are going to go back to the stitch tutorials and projects and, the fun stuff.